Hello there and welcome to Gabriels Square in Lower Earley. I'm bringing you the 2-bed ground floor apartment that is located in this block here. Just giving you a view of the colourful mosaic pattern in the communal area. Without further ado, let's head on in and let me show you around. So inside this apartment we have, it's all ground floor. You've got video entry system here, and then heading on in, I'll just take my shoes off. So all laid to hardwood as well, so nice and easy to clean and maintain. As we head into the apartment, on your left hand side, this is the main bedroom. Really good sized double bed. Lots of space there for more storage, and then this is a large built-in wardrobe as well, which does carry on down quite some ways on either side as well. Being that this is the main bedroom, here's your ensuite bathroom, so good size ensuite shower, nice large mirror, sink and then WC, and then you've got the window there as well. So you do have, as we've stated in the description, you do have 2 external areas. So this is one of them, and I'll take you up there in just a moment. But before I do that, let me show you the family bathroom on the other side of the hall. So this one here, so again, has everything you need, with the shower over the bath on there. And then this here, just next to it, is bedroom 2. Now with this building, it is on a slightly, they're not quite square rooms. You do have some angled walls, but this works really well. Space there for your wardrobe, good sized double bed, and this is almost dual aspect with the 2 windows just there. Nice and bright, good sized bedroom on there. Carrying on down the hallway, we have 2 storage areas at the end in there, and then we're heading out into your living room, kitchen and dining space. So video entry system just here, and then we've got a really comfortable reception area, and you have French doors out to your second private area. So this is all gated, all fenced off, sorry. So no one else has access to it apart from you. You have nice little patio, laid to grass, and just here is the, that's all your parking. Coming on back in. And then from the reception room, we have your kitchen, and it is fitted kitchen. So we've got full-size fridge freezer, a washer dryer just here, and then full-size dishwasher as well, composite sink. And then this is the second outdoor area that I mentioned that you can see from the bedroom. There's the door to the bedroom there. And again, this is all fenced off. No one has access to it apart from you. So you've got 2 good size private garden spaces. Not very common in an apartment. So there we are. So this is being sold with no onward chain, and the buyer, the seller is looking to sell relatively quickly, as he's already found his next one and he's buying that independently. That's the apartment. You do have allocated parking as well, but I want to thank you for joining me on this tour of the apartment, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.